Alright, this is Exilium. Welcome to my rebranded Exilium Games channel. Tonight I will be playing the Dyson Sphere Program. It just came out on Steam. It is in early access. It looks to be developed by a Chinese company, but they did release it in English, and the videos I've been watching about it seem pretty solid. I've been trying to stay away from early access games just because I find that I play the games and I quit playing them, and then when they're done, I never go back, and I miss a lot of potential, playtime. So, but in this particular game, there's all the main elements seem to be available. So we're gonna give it a shot. I'll be doing a 3-game series to start off with, just to see if this game gets any traction. I mean, it is new, it is niche, so maybe we'll get some. I did try it out earlier. I guess it's fine. I don't really care. I was going to try to stream it or play it in a 32:9, but this game pegs the UI elements to the edge of the screen, which means you as the viewer will not be able to see the UI elements.
You may find it's
even though I
different from our
would.
homeworld.
So it's unfortunate. I wish more people had 32:9 screens. I would like to show people.
I am your advisor, and will help you through
what it's
this mission.
like to play games in that wide of a screen. It's really neat. But here we are. And right off the bat, we got really good sound. Like I said, I went through this a little bit earlier. Good solid
Everything
sound.
here is yours. As one of Cosmo and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere Program, you will explore this cluster step by step. By using the resources here to construct the Dyson Sphere to provide energy for the center brain to maintain homeland, starting from scratch. I have chosen a designated planet for you to start the mission, which has necessary resources for initial development. Now please drive the space capsule to the planet.
For what it's worth, that little mouse icon in that text window doesn't do jack. I don't know why it's there. I want to make sure we can hear this. Let's give it a little more. We're up in our 10% or so. I'm always trying to find the balance between my mic volume and game volume. Until I get people live in the channel live, it's hard to tell where I'm at. If you do end up watching my live streams,
Now you are about to reach the designated
setting,
planet.
normal latency right now, so I'll be able to respond in near real time. Just because I figure a lot of people are going to be asking questions about the game prior to buying it, and there might be some that are trying to get help. I'm really good at games. Just the way it is. If you guys have ever played Factorio,
This is Icarus, a lightweight industrial mecha with powerful functionality. You can use the arrow keys or right-click on the destination to control its movement. In this mission, you will manipulate Icarus to travel beyond the stars and create miracles.
if you ever played Factorio, this game is very much like Factorio,
Now try to recycle
but
the space
on
capsule.
a
Right-click on it to
galaxy
recycle.
level, starting off at the planet level. It's really neat, or it looks like it's going to be neat. So we'll see. A lot of videos I've watched are in
You
Chinese,
can use the same
so
operation to collect resources,
there's that,
such
but-
as trees, gravel, etc.
I mean, this
In
is
the
all
meantime,
early
hold down Shift and right
Factorio stuff.
to give a series of commands. You receive several items after recycling the space capsule. Click the inventory button in the lower right corner of the screen to open the cabin to view them.
Gotta do something real quick before I forget. Gotta make sure I'm properly doing the streaming things. Update my status.
You can hold down mouse
There we
middle
go.
button drag to rotate the angle of view, or slide the mouse wheel to zoom in and out.
Okay. Yeah, I already know. What do you want me to do? Basic operation guide, resource gather command, you actually want me to do these things? Oh. Yeah, I know. I know. Oh. He's just basically... Okay.
Yet you have not unlocked the construction menu, which will be done automatically when complete any technology research. Click the technology tree button at the bottom right of the screen to open the technology tree and activate a research.
Oh, that's neat. Even while I'm in the technology tree, it's still gathering. That's cool. Do I just gather this forever? Alright. You wanted 10. Something like that, right? Guess that's all it needs. Perfect.
You have created a mining machine to achieve ore collecting automation. Pick it up from the inventory, or select it on Gathering of Construction menu to build it.
From the inventory? I have an inventory? Oh, I do. Look at that. Can I just... Okay. So you can just click it and drag it with the left mouse button out. That's kind of cool.
Veins. The more veins covered, the faster the ores will be gathered.
Okay,
if you want
so
to ignore
it's
grid
the...
snapping, try holding down the shift key.
Okay, it's that, see the little red arc out the back of it? Okay, so we want to do 5, 6. Six, 7. Let's do that. Yep, I got it. Good. That's kind of cool. I need to move it around. That's cool. This is a really good UI. This is a little intrusive, and I wish this was a little more opaque so you can see more of the screen, but mining shift, no, I don't care. No power. Okay, so I assume I need to make power. Do I have Tesla power? I don't have a windmill. There we go, perfect. And actually, because I don't know how long, do I just need to be like there? That's a rough one. I don't know how close I gotta be for this to work yet. So we'll do that. And then do...
You have done building the first power transmission facility, Tesla Tower. It can carry out short-distance wireless power transmission and expand the power supply area of the power grid. Click on it to view the current power grid information.
What is this?
Wind turbine. You have established your first power grid. Not all power facilities has its power supply area. Use the Tesla Tower to extend the area of the power grid.
I feel like I should turn the game up more so you guys can hear the audio, which in this case we'll just go up to 80%. It's mostly the music that's going to drown me out, if that's a problem. Are you on? Are you doing your thing? You aren't doing your thing. You have power. Do I need to... There we go. That wasn't intuitive at all. I mean, I did it. Okay. Does it just output to my inventory or the machine's inventory? Insufficient power supply. I need another inventory. What do I got for research? Basic logistics. Unlocks. So, actually, I need to see. Gathering? No. Power. Okay. Make another one of these. 3. Motherfucker, this one. So, one of the things that's a problem right off the top is that you have to build each of these individually. I can't click on this and have it make all the sub pieces. So, I need 3 of those. Like a material, so I need a whole bunch more. Okay, so 3 of these, which means I need iron ore, so I can't even make power. Okay, which means I need over here. Can I do one of these? Nope. Need more iron ore. Okay. Gather some of this. Let's move this up here, just like that's what we got.
Energy is required in all mecha activities. If it is depleted, the activities will be restricted. You can click the mecha panel button at the bottom right of the screen to open the mecha panel and resupply fuel into the fuel chamber.
That must be this. Yep, it is. That's gonna be a problem. How do I make fuel? Whoa, 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 whoa. Just any old thing? Wood? Okay, I can use wood. Logs, plant fuels, coals. Okay. So I can use crap too. Of course I can. So get some logs. Let me make sure I have a supply of. That would be tragic if I just ran out of energy in the middle of my life. Alright, so here. Give me that. There we go. And I should do this. Hopefully that'll make it burn first. Don't know. But that's interesting. This is a. That's the shape of a bomber. Okay, so take items, split items. Take. Okay, your standard controls. That's fine. So I need 3 of these. And 3 of these. Producing 1. Oh, it says times 2. Gotcha. Okay. And this is just 1. So this produces 1, but this produces times 2. Got it. There's those gears, metal plates. 6. Plates. 1. That should be enough. Right? What am I missing? 16 plates, because I can't do math. 1 gear. 3 of those in 4 seconds. Not enough items. Oh, you gotta build it. This isn't to build, this is to dump. Okay. Got it. I'm smart. I wonder if it'll automatically remove trees that are in the way and stuff, you know? Me and my OCD is going to kick in real quick. Yep, it does. Alright. Are they connected? That was not aligned. Fine, whatever. Are we at 100%? We are. Perfect. Product stacking. Took all those. So I gotta manually come over and harvest those. Now I need another harvester. Which means I need another one of those. Which means I need 4 of these. Oh, that's cool. You can do that. Can I even make those? I can. Perfect. 2 of those, 1 of those. Need 2. So 4 and 2. And then 2. And I made 4 because, again, math, you know. 1, 2. Gears. I don't remember how many. What it's going to do. That. Is that everything? It is. Alright, so then I can just go over here. City 5. 6 there. Do it in the water. There we go. 6. Which means I need another power thing now. Six of those. One of those. Right? Yep, there goes. So I need 1, 2, 3. Those. They don't have any like overlays at all. Like I can't see like energy and stuff. So what is this for? Board energy. Oh, Okay. That's a good early warning system there. Now this will give me that. Alright, perfect. And what is next on my list? Oh yeah, I'm trying to do research. 4. Universe exploration. Mecha core? What does that do? Nope, don't care about it. It's fine. Do conveyor belts, sorter, don't care. Storage. That would be nice. Conveyor. Perfect. Probably want that. Yep. Oh, that's the blue crap I was looking for. Okay. Yep, we want the get output to automate the mining piece, so we definitely want this. So you need 10 and 10. Okay. So I already forgot what I was doing. Of course I did. 10 gears. I guess I need 8. That's a little weird. Why is it? Oh, because it already used 2. Got it. 8 more circuit boards. Yes, I understand. You are telling me this. I already saw it. Are you telling me to pick one? I don't care. I don't want to spend my metal plates on crap right now. Alright, so gears. Components. 8 of these, so 2. So math 4, 8. Let's see, 8 of 4 of those. And 4. I can't do math. 4 of those. I need 4 more of these. And then 4 of those. And then 8 of these. No. I guess it's fine. I keep forgetting. So they don't print them out in one. Some of them are print out 1, some print out 2. Oh, hey. I just noticed Mayhem. Thanks for joining my channel. I don't get a lot of visitors, so it's cool when I do. So anyways, yeah, so I'm trying to... got the upgrade. Awesome. So that will allow me to automate the mining.
You have received the sorter and the conveyor belt, which can achieve full automation. Use the conveyor belt to transport the piled up ores from the mining machine. And the sorter can deliver the ores from the conveyor belt to the smelter for automatic
completing
smelting.
the research, you get some already made. So that's super useful. Hey May, how's the volume stuff? You good? I don't usually listen to my own stream, so it's hard to tell. Alright, so automate the copper. The output's on this side of it. I don't need anything special right now, so I'll just do this.
When putting a conveyor belt, all you need to do is determine the starting point and the end point of it. In addition, use the up arrow key to lift up 1 level, and use the down arrow key to drop down 1 level after the conveyor belt is lifted. Press keypad 0 to reset the construction height of the conveyor belt to the ground. If you don't want the conveyor belt to be attached to the belt, you can try holding down the shift key. The sorter is a transportation
Want this.
connector of cargoes between facilities.
Didn't actually give
It
me
will
any of those,
automatically transport them as long as the supply facility and the receiving facility
because I
are
need
bridged.
redstone. Cool. Really wish I could show you guys this game in a 32:9 screen. It is really cool, but it just makes it too small for everybody to see that doesn't have a 32:9 screen. How much do I need for this? 4, which means I gotta refine it. Just need 1 to 1. I'll just do all of them, I suppose. I wish it would automatically queue the sub pieces, so like I could click on the building and it would queue these automatically. That'd be super nice, but I guess it does make you, or give you motivation to automate that process quickly. Yeah, there, okay. So, how much do these things store? 30 slots, so is that 30 stacks basically? I may not need 2 of these off the bat. It might be better to centralize the storage of everything. We're gonna see. So for now I got 2 buildings, that's fine. We'll just do that here.
You built a
Is
storage,
that actually connected?
which can be used to store cargo. You can manually store or use the sorter to automatically stock the cargo.
You have to use this. You need a sorter. It has to use a sorter. Okay. Good to know. Can I move this? Shift. No. Shoot. Okay. Give me that, give me this. So you have to use a sorter, which kind of blows. Can I do that? Yes, I can do that. Awesome. Okay. Starting interesting. So okay. Now, question is there a way to? Probably not. Like in Factorio, I can pre-designate slots for only certain things. That way I can split up a train, for instance, with what I need. Now, I'm assuming stone's going to be used more, so let's go ahead and get that going. I guess I just might as well start doing stacks of these things. So 2 circuits, which needs that. Two of those, needs one of those. It's 2. And 2 of those. Alright. So what do we got? 6, 6, 5. 5, 6. 7. There it is. Angle too wide? What does that even mean? Angle too wide, lack of item. Great. Angle too wide. It did queue it. I thought you had to. Okay. Does it only work for like? That's really good to know. I feel like I'm missing something, but all right, cool. Well, that begs the question then, can you actually do it for buildings? Because in the videos I'd watched, that was a big complaint, is you couldn't make sub-items. You had to do all the calculations and do all the sub-items. But if it'll do it automatically, that saves a ton of pain. Alright. Is that actually a... Huh. That's interesting. And that didn't line up very well, did it? Oh, these need power. Yeah, that didn't line up well at all. In fact, none of that lines up. There's another slot you can put here. I don't like the way that lines up. So, need power. Okay. I have one. Yeah, that's gonna save a ton of time. For those of us that are math challenged. I'm not really, but... yeah, they're both crooked. That's a little weird. Wonder why they did that. Because the other one would go right here. I don't see any problem with them being a little bit closer. Whatever. We're going, we're going. Alright, we have stuff being stored. What's next? Ooh, core energy. Look at that. I should find some coal somewhere. Is that coal right there? Check this. Yeah, it's gotta be coal. Which means do one of those. Put it there. Those. is my power usage here? 98. It is getting a little under, so yeah, I do need more power. Don't care, already got it figured out. Am I done? I am. Let's, okay, so there is a spacing problem. I thought there might be. So I purposely spaced mine the way I did them. Just to maximize stuff. Seven, that's perfect. Oh, it doesn't actually. Oh, that's a problem. Okay. So these buildings only cover a 2x2 grid. That's how they're fitting in 3. Okay. That makes sense. I like that it warns you, because I bet you if it did, people would die from that all the time. Oh shit, I'm not paying attention. It's super bad, super bad, super bad. Shit. Shit. Where's my wood? Give me the wood. I don't see the wood. I got coal. There you go, do that. And I couldn't do the. Whoa, see the problem right there? You can't even harvest if you're out, so you could really screw yourself over there. Let's go ahead and take that. Wow, you need a ton of energy. There's got to be a better way. What's my energy, or my research doing? Okay, that does that. Don't care. Don't care. So this does the plates. Matrix does that. Advanced stuff. Okay, and then we're not doing fluid yet, not doing that yet. Okay. Let's do this one. So I need much of those, okay. I don't have enough iron. Maybe that was the problem in the early stages. You just didn't have enough iron, so you couldn't queue up a whole bunch of stuff. Still need a few more of those. Okay. And now I have more energy. Am I missing something? Am I getting energy from the towers? Why did my energy go up to there? I feel like I missed something there. Because when I initially put it in, it only went to like here. And then over time it charged all the way up. Am I getting it from these towers maybe? That could be. But I've kind of always been within the radius, right? Something to watch, I guess. Wonder if you can double harvest a spot. I should check the. Okay, we still got plenty of power. Okay. What do we got for land? Let's do. Too bad the coal's. Actually, coal's right next to this. That's actually convenient. Because that's not coal. I'm dumb. If this was closer to the steel or the iron, that would be better, because I assume at some point we're going to make steel. Glass from stone. Okay, I get it. And I do have a few of these. Awesome. So I guess I can just put these in a line somewhere. I guess just in the middle. Now
You built a smelter, which can smelt basic materials, such as iron ingots and copper ingots automatically, while you want to make the raw materials and products get in and out of it autonomously.
it does
You need
deform
to
the
use
land a little
sorters
bit
and
when it
conveyor
places
belts.
them down. Okay. Now what I should start doing is feeding this here instead. Select recipe. Let's start with the copper plates. Where's my copper plates? Oh, there we go. Done. Okay. Those.
After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe.
Oh, it can do these. That's odd that a smelter can make those. But I think that, yes, we could do that. So let's start feeding the belts. Am I out of iron? Yep. Why is that blinking? It doesn't blink anywhere else, does it? I have a power problem. Really? I do. It's not covering this thing here. Seriously? Can I move this to the front? There's no way for me to change the priority. All I can do is cancel. Can I drag? Nope, I can cancel that way. So if you right click it cancels it. But I can't like move to the front of the line. At least that I can tell. Oh, looks like my friend left. That's too bad. I've been talking to myself. Super awesome. My life story. Yeah, so I've been making rock, but haven't been storing it because the sorter had no power. I don't know what this flashing means though. Okay, I guess it's happening here too. But why is it happening? Can you upgrade the belts? I wonder. You probably could. Interesting. Oh, I connected it backwards. Can I... There's no apparent way to flip that. Construction mode, make a move action. No. Mother God. Okay, so I have a problem. Dismantle facility. I have to... Oh, what is going on there? Okay, it's just a grid. Dismantle sorter? Yeah, I've got to because it was backwards. Do I have one? I do. Awesome. Okay. So there is a direction. That's good to know. So in Factorio, we'd have like a main bus, and you'd have like a whole bunch of belts and a whole balancing system. So you'd have multiple belts going. Problem is I don't think you can build belts on water. I was fucking wrong. All right, so we just ignore the fact that there's water. I can create this as one giant empty space. So I could technically have a belt. Okay. Okay. So for now, I have a couple options. I can have two belts coming off this to feed here for the copper and the, well, soon to be coal. And because the copper is there, I should change this one to copper. Copper, and then this will be steel. or iron, and this one will be stone. Okay, since it's coming from that direction. I made 89 of these things? Alright. So for the moment, we'll come off here for the copper. Does it not want me to come? Okay. I guess we'll go like this. Okay, so I've been trying to figure out this coal storage thing. Oops, that's not what I was trying to do. Okay, I get it. It burns it and adds to your total. Oh, it's because my robots are building. Okay, my robots are building and that takes energy. My little drones.
You can now click the planet thumbnail button in the lower left corner of the screen, or press the M key to try the planet view mode.
Okay. That takes a lot of energy for them to build. Holy crap. Planet thumbnail. Why would I want to look at the planet right now?
In
That's kind of cool.
view
Has a
mode,
north and south.
You can hold down the middle mouse button dragged, rotate the angle of view, and hold down the right mouse button, drag to roll the angle of view. Press N key to point to the front to the north
That's actually pretty cool, except shouldn't there be in polar caps, you know? Because they're not going to get as much sun.
In the planet view mode,
That's unfortunate.
slide the mouse wheel to enter the star map mode.
Slide the oh, I see what it says. Okay. I mean, that's really neat. And this is just one system out of lots. So if each of these has, you know, 1 or 2 planets, there's a lot going on here. I mean, that is... I thought Factorio was a giant scale. This could be significantly more significant. Is that a thing? Can you do anything with these? Can I, like, harvest gas off these? Let's scroll in, I guess. Okay. Where am I? How do I relocate my robot? Is there a quick way to do that? Spacebar? No. I don't know how to click. Where am I at? I have no idea where my robot's at. Oh, I'm still... Wait, hang on a second. That's because I'm still in the... No? There we go. I was in the planet view. Alright, so... means we need a sorter. And there doesn't appear to be a way to just change that. You can set it, which would be fine if I had a splitter, but since this is kind of dumb to call this a sorter. Oh, wait. I bet you if you had this go through this, it would just pull off the things on this that go to it, that you filter. Okay. That makes sense. And since I have anything, so now I can just do... I'm gonna make a couple more of those. Oops, not that. Okay. Not doing any of that. This would be for upgrades, but right now, matrices and research technologies. shit. I already did. Set filter, copper. There we go. Fuck. I don't know how to pick it off the belt. Can I? No? 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 I'm running out of keys to test. Crap. Hey, do you know how to take things off belts? Doesn't seem to be a function in this game. Nope. I guess I could just dismantle it. That'd be super sad. Huh. Well, guess I'm thinking about that. We can make a few of these. Take items, split items, but that's only if it's in my inventory. Crap. So, and there's no way to turn these off too when you place them automatically, and you can't preset it up. And it seems to just choose randomly, because if it chooses first box, it would have chosen that. Okay. That's a quality of life thing I would like to see change. So for now, basic assembly. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, inventory. Okay, that's fine. Don't freak out. Okay, so that's doing its thing. Let's get iron set up. Start here. I don't know how to... There's just no way to do this. Unless... Yeah, so you have to have a... You can't even place this thing without a connecting device. Wait a sec. Yeah, you can. Right there. Before you finish the connection, you can do this. Perfect. Alright. Yeah, that's greatly going to speed stuff up. Alright. Soil pile. Am I gathering soil? So I'm already having an organization problem. So now I'm going to have an output, and my power generation's in the way. Unless, I guess I could just start my power generation this direction, like here. Yeah, let's do something like that. I should go get some more coal. I wonder what the distance of this is. Can I go like this? And go there? It looks like I can. I wonder how far these things go. Just to reduce the travel time of the bots. It's easier for me to just go here. Oh, I need a conveyor too. Or logistics, and so what we learned, we can go like this and do that. Perfect. Cool. Yeah, see, it's actually taking them on like a shipping lane thing. The those giant cranes at seaports. That's actually really neat. Cool. All right. Now, what is the thing we make the most? I should probably make another one of these. Have one for each item they can do. Not that. This. What is power doing? Power is fine. If these are all going all at the same time, it wouldn't be like that. But because I'm not utilizing the full capacity of my resources yet, I'm not having any power issues, but I gotta keep that in mind. If these are all powered on at once, I'd be screwed. Do I have my device yet? I do. Okay. That means you can go here. What am I building with this? Iron stuff. Yes, iron stuff. That's going to be these. Okay, it's doing its thing. Next. In the component side of stuff, I have the stuff I can make with smelters complete. Except for glass, which is also... I actually think this does the glass. No, it doesn't. The other thing does glass. But... right now, nothing needs glass, so I'm not going to worry about that. What's my research doing? Might as well do that, I suppose. So now I have plenty of universe exploration. The veins distribution on the planet. Mechanical frame. Okay, these just increase my... yeah. Construction note drones, that's kind of cool. That's actually really useful. So having this go, I guess, is kind of a big. This is a big deal. Do need to get this. What's this? And why is it blue? Why are these require ray receiver? Hang on a sec. Back up. Oh, okay. So these are all dependent on other researchers before it. Okay, that makes sense. The plus flow and construction drones would be nice. Energy circuit. I don't know if I care, and I don't make these yet. Flight speed. Mecha flight. That's actually really useful. I mean, not yet, but vertical construction. Storage vertical construction. Lab vertical construction. Oh, wow. That could be interesting. Sorter cargo stacking. Oh, I think it just makes it allow the sorters to carry more at a time. Flight speed. Logistics drones. Yeah, this is essentially a space version of, and a newer, because isn't that other game like a decade old now? It's been around for a while. Okay, so now that we know we can do that, let's go ahead and fuel storage. We don't do any of that yet. Don't care yet. And that's for the unlock. Don't care yet. And not only that, but I need the blue crap. So it looks like the blue crap is the next thing to get. 10 of those and 10 of those. So I need 2 of those. Well, I didn't want to do that, but sure, whatever. Shit. How's my supply doing? I need more iron. And might as well pick up 100 of those, so I don't have to do that anymore. Alright. And then I need 10 more circuits. And I might as well just do 10, it's fine. What do we want this to do? I feel like, well, not buildings, because that'd be a waste of space. So I guess I'm trying to figure out what I make most. Let's go with these because it uses 3 components, 1 component. This might be more interesting just because it takes 2 different metals. Let's do that. Okay. So that'll be the input and then output belts, I guess. That's what we'll do. That is not what I want to do. That is... Oh, it's done now. I was moving my mouse while I was trying to change my view. I agreed that. That's fine. Well, it does give it a space. So if I have to hop over, because you can change your elevation. So I guess that's fine. I will accept it. And I also need another line. shooting for that matter. Might as well just do this to. Oh. Okay. Matrix lab. I don't have any glass yet. So I need glass. Which means I need another. Yep. Does remove the trees, that's kind of cool. Oh, shoot, energy. I need to keep like an extra thing of energy. I don't think it keeps me from working, so it doesn't kill me. And if I stand still, it's getting it from my core. It's just when I move it uses it. So it won't kill you. I'll just prevent you from doing anything. That's good enough. I wish you could just move things, you know? That'd be cool too. So I could reorganize as I learn what needs to go where, how. Alright, so copper. Go here. This would be a good test to see how far these can go. It cannot go that far, so it can go 2. And I've also noticed that my belt is going different directions. Oh, that's another problem. Is there no way to change the belt direction? You can't see it now, but this belt's going this way and this belt's going the other way. There's no way to change that. And I think I just figured out a way to grab stuff off the belt. There you go. That's how you grab stuff off the belt. Now we know. Let's see if I can figure out how to change the direction of these things. It's definitely not obvious. In Factorio, you could just click, shift click, I believe, to change the direction. It wasn't hard. Maybe I can drag over the top of them. No. Redraw. Confirm path. Okay, so let's do. No, that's not gonna work. Shift copy. No, that's not gonna work. Frack. Alright, well. This needs to go here, and there's no tunnels yet. Yeah, see, it's not super excited. Do I get my materials back? I suspect I don't. Not that it matters at this point. that is actually in the way. I didn't think it was going to be. Crap, I thought it would fit in that. So the grid points are on the points, not the spaces. Okay. Let's fix that really quick. Actually, do I have any of these? I do have some of these. So now that I know that, I can just put this here. That's fine. Get rid of this. Go here. Now this is going to test my ability to engineer. Because I think for this to work, I'm going to have to make this go over the top of this one coming in. Maybe. Can I do this and go there? I can! Awesome! Alright. It'll just go over the other one. Glass. There we go. Okay, cool. Fortunately, I built these so far away from here. Alright. What is the limit? Is it 1, 2, 1, 3? I'm pretty sure it's the third one. Definitely too far. And for testing purposes, let's do this. Too far. Okay, so it is this one. Which means I'm going to go this way, bring it here. Do that. And this is where I need an actual sorter box, I believe. I don't have the tech for it yet. The splitter. I need a splitter, not a... Is that what this is called? Sorter. I need a splitter. Because then I would use a splitter right here. Four directions. Yeah. So I definitely want this, which means I need to get this crap going. Yeah. Okay. So for now, it's fine. It does what I want it to. Are you? Oh, it's because I already have enough of those. Awesome. Okay. My main bus line is going to get super complicated. I'm going to need a tertiary component bus line soon. So in Factorio, the way I would have it is I would have 4 lines, 2 spaces, 4 lines, because then the tunnels, at least when they first came out, could only go 4 spaces underground. You can get longer ones now. So I would do, you know, the tunnel entry, under, tunnel out, tunnel back in, under, and I would have 2 buses, which eventually is what this is going to turn into. I think something that nature, except there's no way to go. You can make these things go up and down, so that's what you'll end up doing, is going up instead of underground. And then these will go over the top. Yeah, these will go over the top of the thing. In fact, can I even do that? So let's say, for instance, and then I can do this. Ooh boy, do I want to do that? What the hell? Oh, I see what it's trying to do. Okay. So that's not good enough, but I can do that. That's a weird drawing it's doing. Okay, so let's do this to there. And then we would do that to there. Nope, nope. This one. No. Can I go straight down? No, it takes 2, takes 3, takes 4 to come down. That's a... Yeah. That's why it's not liking this. So it's possible, but if I try to do this, it just freaks out. See, it's trying to do that to get its 4. Is that what's going on? Huh. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's trying to stack one above the other ones now, I think. Is it? No. And this is going the wrong direction. Gosh, dang it. There's gotta be a way to change this. Wait a sec. Shift copy. No, it's for copy. There's nothing I can do about this. Can I? Shift? No. No. Control? No. Control? No. Alt? Alt? No. Yeah, nothing you can do. So I have to basically redraw this stupid thing. Research? Oh, that's for the building. Which I needed to get up, so let's do that. I can actually move this up a little bit. It's fine.
Matrix Lab. You can use it to make super matrices or research technologies that require
No, that's going
them
the
to
right direction.
unlock. The super matrices are the
I
source
just drew
code of
this
the
piece
center
the wrong
brain
direction.
for maintaining the homeworld. You could upload
Where's
as
it at?
many super matrices
Why
to the
wouldn't
center brain as possible.
Alright.
You can be benefit to unlock more actual world
At least I know what my
technologies
little limitation
by
is.
operating the home world simultaneously.
Actually, this is going to be a problem now, too, because then this is too close. Ah, Jesus. That's why I drew that here, to remind myself that I wanted that path. It's fine. It'll all get reworked at some point. Yeah. So what are we waiting for here? That was my power, putting power. Then we need like I need a window somewhere that's telling me what my power draw is in real time. But for the moment, definitely doing that. So I need. Oh, that's entertaining. Okay. And we know now from experience that that's going to be in a wonky spot. fit. Sort of. Alright, whatever. And I want to do these, which means I need those things down there. Of course I do. And that splitter, which I can't do. What happens if I do this? It does cut it off. So I could just go to... Can I chain these together maybe? Maybe. Put down a one. Can I put down a one single dot? I can. Okay. There. And then no. Collide with another object. Okay. Once I get a splitter, okay, what do I need for the splitter? I need that. I just need the splitter. Give me my splitter. I need that crap. Of course I do. I might as well activate it so I'm aware of what I need. Oh, it's going to cause so many problems because I now need to figure out a way to get this over the top of this. I hate my life. Alright, we'll rework it once I get the splitter built, then I can change some of the stuff because then I'll get that too, and that's a 4-way. Faster belts. And then another Mark II storage. So this needs copper in those things. And those things, fortunately, are here. So of those. I need iron plates. Technically 1, 2, and 3. I'm curious, if I started here and then go down here, it'll end there and still stay above that. So I don't have to do a full thing on the other side. So if I do Huh. Let's go. See if I move it. No, that's still technically down. Yeah. There's a graphical thing. It's hard to see, but it's actually on the ground. When you place it here, it looks like it's above this, but it isn't. So if I do that, and then go down, I can have it ready to go. There. Which would then allow me to do this. And then I should be able to do, can I do that? Nope. Can I do this? What is it doing? No. Wow, that's super wonky. Why is it trying to... You okay? The way it represents that, it's just super glitchy. Does it work? Okay. One, two, three. Is that what we established to be the longest? Yeah. And this should start this thing. Alright, we're going. Now. I don't like the placement of this, but for now we're going to deal with it. Because it's a giant pain in my ass not to. And I also want to test if I can do silly things not that way. No, no, no. It's the wrong direction. They need a way to reverse that. That's stupid. Go here. And then here. We... shoot. We're still fine. Okay, we're good. Go there. Go there. And then here. And there. Good. Oop, we have power. Oh boy, that takes a lot of power. Look at that go. Okay. Power problems. Yep, definitely have a power problem. I need to make a power generation area that's separate from the rest of this. Eventually I'm just going to move stuff anyways, so that's annoying. Okay, power good. And this doesn't have a way to output. Okay. Research. Needs a whole bunch of those. Which means I now need an output, which means I need a box. For now, we'll just stick it here. Shit, wrong side. In the future, what I would want to do, I think, is not have these output going that direction, but send them back this direction into a tertiary bus. Or at least have them go this way into a tertiary bus. But I think I like having the buses together in the middle, and then I could put industry on either side of the two buses. I think that is the ideal way to do it. We'll see. Making this up as I go. But this works out. I can go under this, and this can go, and this can go under this too. I could technically go under this, but then I wouldn't have enough height to get over that. So that's the problem there. As we go through this, I will get more efficient at placement because I'll understand how these things connect better. Concrete, I don't have any go anywhere, so I'm not worried about that. Alright, what are we doing? We need 90. I thought I already had it going. Didn't I already have it going? Oh, it's because it was originally 100, I believe. Right. There it goes. Okay. At least wind isn't variable. I'm surprised they don't make us use solar panels and other bullshit freaking passive energy stuff. Oh, it looks like my YouTube died. Let's reload that. Are we still okay? Testing, testing. Yep, YouTube crashed on me. I don't know what does that. Which means it did it on my stream too? Nope, that's fine. So it's just my laptop that died? Yeah, it's weird. YouTube, I'm watching my concurrent viewers, and it goes up and it goes down, it goes up and it goes down. For no apparent reason. On a good note, the crypto market is now spiking. It's bouncing off a low. I invest in crypto a lot. In turbine strength. So there is a... if you click on the 100% satisfaction. So we're almost... I mean, we do go over, but we don't have a charge. We're right on the edge. So we'll have to build more power. Which is fine. This can be, that's fine, just do that. Do I have enough gears? I don't, but that's fine. Alright. Put the power down. Need foundation support. So you can't build in water. Can I do this though? It appears I can. I just can't put a windmill there? Marr. Fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. My energy's nosediving again. Can you imagine the level this has to get to? Having stars upon stars upon stars and planets all doing this? That's going to be massive, and it's actually kind of, I don't want to say exciting, that's kind of lame, but it's cool. I mean, that's neat. We should be ready about done. Actually, I don't have the output, that's right. Blink. Done, and that'll charge the rest of that up. Alright, so what is next? I'm gonna do the research thing. Oh, there is a statistics panel. Not somewhere visible, but there is. Is there a power bar? Not a power one, though. So, and it shows you how much you're making per minute. Oh, my freaking energy, I'm dumb. I gotta go crawl over here because I'm dumb. I did want to test something though. If I do this and click, I can do this. Awesome. It gives me a quick 30. Then I can just do this and grab it over there. Neat. In Factorio, you can just walk over the belt to pick it up. So they have the functionality in there, it's just different, which is, I mean, I appreciate they're doing it their own way. And now I figure out why these are lighting up. They light up when something moves, or is moving, is going to move. Who knows? Alright. What are we? I still need 17. No, it just hasn't chewed them up yet. As far as the rest of this goes, that's going to give me the splitters, which is going to make things super easy. I don't care about any of this yet. Thermal power. There doesn't seem to be a pollution output number. Energy efficiency is 80%. That's not too bad. I have coal and more than I need. Deuterium, isn't that a water thing? Like seawater? I think deuterium is a... Yeah, it takes... There's some things I read that make deuterium out of seawater. I don't know what the point of this is yet. Water pump or that. Although, okay, sulfuric acid from a sulfuric acid ocean. Prism. Okay, that's a component. Wireless power tower. Oh, I can use this too. Okay. I won't have to go scavenging for coal anymore with this. I get it. That's neat. And I know this is used for some research. I just don't know how much I care yet. Oh no, we hit our first early access blocker. Not a giant thing, but I mean, for the first day of early access, this is built out pretty well in my opinion. Semiconductor material, solar collection, which is part of the main quest line too. So we need to get that next, which needs, oh, just that stuff, okay. Movement modification. Oh, awesome. So we could technically use this to put windmills? Is that what they're called? In the sea. Titanium, more storage, faster stuff. Okay, so let's go for now. I'm just curious how much more power. So this is 16 megawatts. Wait, 2.16 megawatts versus 0.3 megawatts. So I'd have to make a crap ton of these just to equal that other thing. 8 of these. I'd have to make 8 of these to equal that. So this is actually worth getting just to save space. So let's do that. It looks like I'm short by 2, which is fine because guess what? We are making them continuously until the end of time. Let's just do, well, this is kind of cool. For now, let's do that. Yeah. And then this will do that. And that'll give me, help me reduce some of this crap. Now, I don't know if, right now there's no pollution, so it matters. Hey, Mayhem, are you still here? I don't think you are. The YouTube glitched out, and it looks like it froze stuff for a minute there. Alright, so we're gonna have that done. I don't need more of those. Can I make anything else with smelters that I'm not already making? I don't think so. No, I'm not. I do need more. I need these. Which needs gears, and I think I would like to start. Well, power's done. I think I would start to like to make gears. So we're going to do this. Make one of those. So I don't have to make gears anymore. So now we're going to have the chore of figuring out how I'm going to deal with. This is where I need the splitter. I don't have a choice. I'm not sure how it works, but if I put a splitter here, maybe this will allow it to go through. That's going to be rough. But let's just make one. Figure out how it works. because I need this iron to go into the next manufacturing machine, which is going to be here. Did I already make it? I did. And that's going to be gears. Ink done. So out of curiosity, can I do this and go and then just take it over here past all this crap and still have the belt work? I can. Does it still work? Yes, it does. Good to know. It's not pretty. I don't want to mess up the rest of this right now. Okay. But on another note, I don't need to leave a space between the machines now that I understand that these are going over the top, like a shipping container sort of situation. This only needs that, so I can go blink, blink, and we're done. Go here, done, we're done. Don't need to use this. Sorting speed 3 a trip, 1.5 trips, so this doubles the speed. Uses twice the power. But wow, it already made 10. I was like, I don't know what to do. Help me. Alright. Fine. How many can I do in a stack? Good to know. Alright, so those are the 3 things that can be made. And just make, yeah, so I can make buildings from here. Not that I see any point to that other than these. But yeah, for now it's just those. It's fine. Let's grab a stack of these. And might as well give me a stack of those. See, now I'm really using up the steel. Or the iron, whatever you want to call it. This isn't producing fast enough. Why? Okay, it is. It's just not outputting fast enough. It produces faster than I'm pulling out. So this is where we would want to use the new conveyors, of which I have a couple. So we go here. Can these go farther? Cargo stacking speed, stacking speed. Okay. 1 second, 2 seconds. Alright. Now this should pull them out. See, twice as fast. That's going to help. Get that system moving. Because I'm definitely 60 a minute. And this can do 3 trips a second per grid. Divided by grid. Okay, so there's a number thing. There's only one of these things, so the farther it has to come back, the farther it goes. So it's saying that basically 1, 2, 3 back. So it means it can do 1 a second. Where this one, if it was a 1 space, it'd be 3 a second. Interesting. Okay. Well, now we know. So that is a numbers thing that has to be considered. this makes it so 3 a second, so 1 a second. This is a 60-minute. So this is 1 a second, and now this is 1 a second, and the belt can do 6 a second. So we're nowhere near belt capacity yet. Is this just green because it's Mark II? Interesting. Okay. Now the splitter, I want to test. I want to see if I could like feed it directly here and replace that with that. So let's take this out really quick. It'll be fine. It's freaking out. We're gonna delete this too. Go ahead. Delete it. It's fine. We're gonna put this. Oh boy, I completely misjudged the size of that. Nope, that's not gonna do what I thought it was gonna do. Yep, not even close. That's okay. That's unfortunate. So much for that idea. 4-way splitter. So we went there, and it's a splitter, not a... Well, which one's the input? If you look in the middle, there's a circle. There's 4 lines pointing into it. I don't see a designated input slot. Oh, I bet you got, okay. So it's going to depend on how you, because every connection needs these sorters. So in theory, if we put this there, have that going in, and that one going in, and those other 2 going out, did it just randomly go out? Or does this one go all the way through and then that one goes all the way through that direction? And I just noticed some switch pattern. Oh, look at the looky. I have no idea what that does, but oh, look at that. Okay. That's interesting. That is not a splitter at this point. Unless you can somehow get the bottom to feed out the top. I think it's going to take some testing.
Splitter with 4 directions. It can split the passing cargo or balance the cargo on multiple conveyor belts. The splitting speed depends on the conveyor belt speed. Use the tab key to switch between different styles, and click it to set priorities and filters.
Click it? I did click it. Okay. No. Why you just straight up lied to me? So does that. Why does it say mecha move action? I'm pressing shift and that doesn't do crap. So in theory, you could rebalance lanes with this somehow. So you could have an input of copper splitting into 3 outputs of copper, maybe, or vice versa. If you had multiple minings coming into one, you could load balance your, I don't know. And I guess I don't really know what the point of this is. Unless you're trying to make, let's say, the top go to the bottom on the other side and vice versa. For whatever reasons. I'll have to do some testing with that. For now, let's get some research going so I'm not wasting too much of that time. There's the reason for a splitter. Oh no, I don't need a splitter for that, because I can just do that. I don't understand why there's so many outputs for this, but
A thermal power station. Such power facilities need to consume chemical energy fuels. If you want it to generate continuous and stable power, you need to ensure a sufficient fuel supply at all times.
do these ever run out? Okay, as far as I can tell, these don't deplete. Yes, they do. 294,000 is what I have total in these, so eventually it will deplete. Might as well get this while I'm here. Okay, well, I guess while I have that open too, I might as well get these bushes that I chopped up at some point. And this wood. Oh, this is coming from when I place stuff. That's fine. Okay. Well, I won't have to worry about power for a long time. Strength 100%. I guess that only goes down if you overlap them. There doesn't seem to be a wind shortage thing. And why isn't there any power storage? You would think there'd be like a battery at some point here. These need this to build. Energetic graphite takes... Oh, there's some water and crap going on there. Silicon ore from rock, that's fine. Carbon. Rock hold to gain graphite, got it. You can further convert graphite to crystal diamonds at more advanced applications. Okay. It looks like you can take... Is that hydrogen? I think it's a hydrogen molecule. It does say a chemical reaction, or it's chemical fuel. I don't know what that is. That dirty water? Fuck, I don't fucking know. And then it will output. Oh, is that oil? That might be. And then I'll put the graphite and 3 hydrogen, maybe. Water pump. Because to make the solar panel, I need these high purity silicone, which needs this, which means I need these, so I have to get this. But for now, we're going to go ahead and... Can I not get this yet? It does say main quest. Do I have a quest to do? Fuck, I got a quest to do, don't I? Display details. Oh, looky. Hey, there is a power grid. Alright, I did not know that. Build warning was this. Main distribution, I can't see that because I haven't researched it. Okay, well, that's cool, I guess. I don't know why I can't do that yet. Research data volume. I have plenty of this ready to go. Is there a... So, okay, J, L, A, B. Hey, look at that. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. M? Is that a moon? No. Another place somewhere. B, Q, R, S, T, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Tab, nothing, okay, and nothing. It says main quest, but I'm not getting a whole lot of maybe I have to unlock this first. Why don't I have a button for this? Or that? Well, obviously that one. Okay, well, I guess for now we'll just do this one. Interesting. Alright, so we've hit the 2-hour mark. I am going to go ahead and end this here, and I will be back tomorrow with another 2-hour video. Could do it longer, but the more videos I produce, the better visibility I get. And I'll get myself a thumbnail out of this. Hopefully, do F12. There we go. And actually, I can't do F12 because it's being stupid. Yeah, alright, we're fine. Boop. Save. Alright, thanks again for joining. For those that joined, and if you're watching this game after the stream, feel free to leave me a question or comment. Go ahead and criticize me as much as you want, because it is my job to make my channel and my content better. So I do not get upset about any of that. Anyways, have a good night, and see you tomorrow.